Are you familiar with sinking funds? I know for some, this is a completely unfamiliar term. So if you're in that camp, you are not alone. But before I get into that, I want to welcome you to another episode of our Watch Her Thrive Financial Empowerment series in honor of Domestic Violence Awareness Month. Our topic today is all about a proactive approach to finances and sinking funds in particular. Think of a sinking fund as a seed for specific future growth. These aren't just any seeds, but ones that intentionally saved for particular purposes. Just as we have seeds for different plants, we have sinking funds for different goals. Let's say you want to plan a retreat next summer. By starting a retreat sinking fund, now you're already on your way there. Remember how we talked about the importance of simply making a decision? Making that decision and establishing a fund toward that goal is a huge part of reaching that goal. Dreaming of that new car? Start tucking away into that new car fund. Now, managing these funds in real time, it's actually easier than you think. Some banks offer multiple savings accounts, allowing you to earmark funds for specific purposes. Others, more modern banking apps will let you bucket or envelope money for specific goals right within one account. The power of sinking funds is really in the foresight and the preparation. By setting aside money intentionally, those future expenses, expected or sudden, don't knock the wind out of you. And this is what we aim for in this series, empowering decisions, making choices today that pave a smoother path for tomorrow. Start sowing your financial seeds today, nurture them, and watch them grow, and let's create a future that is ready for anything. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This month is filled with bite-sized financial wisdom. You won't want to miss a single episode. And if you know somebody who could benefit from this knowledge, please share this video. Together, let's spread awareness and financial empowerment. Remember, at Watch Her Thrive, we believe in sowing seeds for brighter futures. Thanks for being part of our community. Stay tuned for more.